Hey, good afternoon, Bob, Trade Genius. It's the 16th of December, and a lot of new people. Want to thank people for joining our our merry band of traders here at Trade Genius, and a lot of questions of people that are trying to figure out how to best use the day trading money machine. And so, the first disclaimer: it is a day trading money machine. Unless you're up 24 hours a day and can follow all the signals, it's best that you just trade the signals when you're in front of the computer, okay? Because a lot of action happens overnight that sets the pace for the day, and you don't want to be fighting from a hole. And the other thing with the day trading money machine is just forget all your biases. Doesn't matter if you're right or wrong on a swing trade. This is strictly how to day trade the futures. And so the first thing that I do is I bring up the hourly chart, okay, and then I just look to see where the arrows are upon my awakening. Pacific time, so I'm usually at my desk between 4 and 5 a.m. So I'm looking for that first signal, and as you can see here on Monday, as soon as the market opened, you had a sell signal here. This is a long swing, so all this really does is help me set what's the climate. The climate is that money flow is starting to fail, and this has given me an indication that I should probably be looking to short rallies instead of go long. And then once I had this set, then I step down into my trading day, um, and I go to the 5-day, look back for 15 minutes, and then let me just zoom in a little bit here. So if we go to Friday here, okay, so since 3:30 in the morning, you get you got a sell signal. Okay, so and what you do in this situation is you take the signal, and then you look at the prior high area before that, and you just set it up. For natural gas, you set up a penny or 2 pennies above that, and that way you just won't get chopped, and then just let it roll. Okay, and in this case it just rolled. I mean, it's a pretty unusual day. This is 7-8 hours of selling, so this was something happened here I talked about before. So but anyway, you'd have just been short all the way down. Now it's up to you if you want to keep sliding down your stop as you go. It's your call how you want to manage it. I usually move my stop down or my stop up as I go, or I trail, but it's whatever makes you most comfortable. And then here you got a buy signal, and you just take the signal, you don't think about it, and then all of a sudden you got a sell signal. But here, when you bought, you set a trailing stop. So like I said, and I called this out in the room here, said you get in, you take a stop, and for me, I got into trade at 260, okay, and then I put a 3-cent trailing stop on it, and then I got this signal here, so it made me kind of more cautious, so I just kind of watched, and then we got another buy signal, and I just took it to the end. So if you get these conflicting signals, just let your stop or your trailing stop take you out, and you can go. And then obviously you got the buy signal into the close, and then like I said, the day ended, you should close your position out. That's how to use the day trading money machine. Very, very simple, and it works pretty well. And like I said, just forget all your biases. Don't think if you're right or you're wrong or anything else. This is just a tool to trade, and you should be able to make a couple $100 profit a day pretty consistently if you use these signals. Now, it all depends what time you get up, what time you work. For me, I start looking at these signals right here, and then I'm done at the end of the day here. And then rinse and repeat. If you lose money, you lose money. If you win money, you win money. There's one other thing on here, but I don't recommend you do it at first. Get comfortable with it. Is that you typically buy the 5-day low, and I take a shot at it, and in addition to that, but it's just easy to just follow the arrows, and you'll do just fine. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, suggestions, smart remarks. You also, people that buy the day trading money machine from us, is you load it on your computer. It's an import, and then we'll also give you a money flow index that we just created an extra smoother here. You can't get this standard out of Thinkorswim. We provide this for you too, and to me, it's just more of an eyeball. I like to see, you know, if the signal is consistent with what's going on here. As you can see, you know, here it's been it was flattish. You know, money flow is still above the 60 line, what I considered embedded for a buy. And then as you can see, the money flow died off, and the buy signal happens before it gets out of its embed on the low side. So it just, to me, it's just a quick look here. As you can see, it was below 20 all day long, so it was telling us that, hey, you know, we have a long wait to get a buy signal here, and that's where it ended. Okay, and then in addition to that, those who buy the day trading money machine will set you up on how to set up these volatility channels, and also how to set up volume profile and things like that. So that's it on that. I hope it's helpful to you. It's a really good tool. I mean, it's a really good tool. I know everybody's is excited about cryptos, but you know, if you understand how to trade futures, you can make some really good returns too, just day trading. Hope you have a good one, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye-bye.